Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Have you ever wanted to transform your family and friends' photos into amazing 3D animations or stunning anime styles? Well, today we'll show you how to turn images to anime, cartoon or 3D animation style. First things first, open up your favorite browser. Once it is opened, click on the search bar. Then search for Lensco AI. Then click on the first official link. This platform allows you to easily convert your photos into various artistic styles, like Pixar quality 3D, anime, manga, fantasy, and more. And the best part? It only takes a single click to apply these transformations. First, log in to your account if you haven't already. Signing up is completely free. Once you've created your user account, you can access the image-to-image section by clicking on the Restyle Photo thumbnail or selecting Create Image from the left menu. Now we're in the dashboard. Here, on the left side, under the Model category, you'll find presets like anime, fantasy, 3D, and more. You can also adjust the image aspect ratio in the Image Dimensions section and specify the number of images to generate in the Number of Images section. Let's upload an image. Click on the Upload Image button, select your desired photo from your hard drive, and upload it. In the Model section, you can choose a preset. For this example, I'm going with the Pixar style to give our image that classic 3D animation look. I'm setting the number of images to generate to 4. In the Prompt section, I'll type in words like cinematic and highly detailed to enhance the effect. Then, click Start. After a short wait, our images are ready. You can click on each image to view it in a larger size. Below each image, there's a download icon for free image downloads. Now, let's try another style. I'll choose Asian Traditional. And click on Generate. Again, in just a few moments, our new images are generated. We can also make specific changes using the Prompt section. For example, to add a smile to the character's face, I type smile. To change the weather, I type rain and storm. Click Start, and the AI generates images based on these prompts. And that's how you turn your images to anime, cartoon or 3D animation style. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.